subject maths for class 2nd standard, and the topic which we will be learning today is lesson number 8, money. Okay. So on page number 155, after studying this lesson, you will recognize the coins and currency notes. Arrange different coins and notes together for different amount not exceeding 50. And the third is add and subtract small amounts of money mentally. Do transaction of money by using 3 to 4 notes. Okay. So first of all, children, what do you mean by money? Money is the coins and currency. Okay. Money consists of coins and currency. It is the currency of one country. So money is the combination of coins and currency. Coins and currency notes. Okay. You can call it as currency notes also. Do we need money to buy things? Yes, we need money to buy each and everything, isn't it? Why is money needed for us? To buy each and every commodities, the basic things of life, that is food, clothing and shelter. This also, money only can buy all these things. Okay. So money is very, very important in our daily life. So now we will see what is this money, what comprises of this money. Okay, it is comprising of coins and currency notes. So on page number 56, they have given you the different types of coins, okay, and the face value, stick pictures of coins and notes. So on the currency itself, they will be giving you the value of that coin. Okay, the value of the coin will be given on the face of the coin itself, isn't it? So you might have seen a coin. So in the front there will be a number. Okay, the number is nothing but the value of the coin, and at the back there will be the national emblem. Okay, the picture of 4 lions, the national emblem of our country. Okay, any type of that national thing will be depicted on the coins and currency notes. So that shows this is of our country. First one, they have given you 50 paise. Stick pictures of coins and notes. So y'all, what you should do this activity, you have to take a 2 rupees notes or a coin and write the picture. Okay, draw the picture of that in this given rows. Okay, children. So that is the activity. And our currency notes are made up of paper. They are made up of paper. Okay, and these coins are made up of metal. Okay, these are made up of metal and the currency notes are made up of paper. The value of a coin or note is written on it. The number which is written on the coin and currency note, it shows on the face of the coin and currency note. On page number 157, they have given the identify the following coins and notes and write the values as given in the example. So first one is value of 50 paise. You can see the picture as 50 paise. The next one is value of 1 rupee. Below that, value of 2 rupees. Then next is value of 5 rupee. Then it is value of 1 rupee, the note. Okay, then there is a value of 2 rupees. That is also a currency note. And here you have value of 5 rupees. That is also a currency note. And next you have value of 10 rupees. Then you have value of 20 rupees. Then you have value of 50 rupees. So what number is shown on the coin or the currency note, you are going to write it in the box. Okay. So the next activity is match as shown in the example. First one is 1 rupee currency note. Second one is, that is 5 rupees. Third one is 2 rupees. Fourth one is 20 rupees. Fifth one is 10 rupees. And sixth one is 50 rupees. So you are going to match it correctly. On page number 159, match the picture and value of the coins. Okay. First one is 50 paise. Second one is 1 rupee. Third one is 2 rupee. And fourth one is 5 rupee. Know this, 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupees and 10 rupees are available both in coins and notes. Okay. You might have seen that they will get both in the notes as well and in the coins also, isn't it? How many paise make 1 rupee? So 1 rupee makes 100 paise. Okay. So if you arrange 100 paise, you will get 1 whole rupee. So R is the symbol of rupee. So this is the symbol of rupees. So now turn to page number 160. They have given you a chart. Look at the chart and find the amount of each article. Write it in the given box. So first one is a doll there. Arrangement of notes is they have given 20 rupees and 5 rupees. How much is the amount there? Here in the box you can write it as 25 rupees. Just add the number of notes or the coins given there. Second one is the ball. Okay. The amount of the ball is like 10 rupees and 5 rupees they have given. The total is 15 rupees. Third one, there are 2 chocolates there and it is 1 rupee each. Okay, the notes they have given you and the total amount is 2 rupees. Third one, it is a car and its value is 20 rupees plus 10 rupees. So total it is 50 rupees. Okay. And the fourth one is the ice cream they have shown you. And the value of that, the cost of that ice cream is 2 plus 1. It is 5 rupees. Okay. So after that they have given you the activities. Makes rupees 6 by using rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5 coins only. So this is very interesting activities. Then on page 162 they have given you make rupees 20 by using rupees 10 and 5 notes or coins. Okay. So either you can write it here or you can draw the picture of the coins and notes to make it as rupees 20. Okay. On page 163, find the number of notes or coins required to make the given amount. So how many 5 rupees notes will make rupees 10? So 5 rupees notes, if you add 5 plus 5 gives you 10 rupees. Okay. So 2 5 rupees notes will make 1 10 rupee. Then how many 5 rupees notes will make 15? So 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 5 rupees notes will make 15. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15 rupees. Then third one, how many 5 rupees notes will make 30? So 5 rupees notes into 6, it will make 30 rupees. Okay. Then how many 5 rupees notes will make 50? It will make 5 into 10 as 50 rupees. Okay. So how many 20 rupees notes will make 40? So 20 plus 20 gives you 40. So 2 20 rupees notes will make 40 rupees. And how many 10 rupee notes will make 40? So 10 plus 10 plus 10, when you add it 4 times, it will get 40. How many 1 rupee will make 5 rupees? So 1 rupee you are adding it 5 times, then you will get it as 5 rupees. Okay children, turn to page 124. There also an activity is being given. Write the numbers equal to given cost. So the value of the currency note they have shown there and you have to add it to make it as the given value. Okay. So this also you all have to do it. Then on page 165, mental addition and subtraction for small amount of money. For example, they have given here through the pictures. Just see that. Mom, give me some money to buy chocolate. In the second picture, take this money and buy the chocolate. The mother is giving to the daughter. Then in the third picture, she says, how much money do you have now? So the daughter is telling it is 15 because 5 rupees 3 notes she has given. Okay, 5 plus 5 plus 5, it will make it as 13. Then in the fifth picture, uncle, what is the cost of 1 chocolate? The girl is asking to the shopkeeper, what is the cost of 1 chocolate? Then the cost of 1 chocolate is 4 rupees. Then she asked, give me 3 chocolates. Okay. So the 3 chocolates, the price is, mother has given 15 rupees. Okay. So the price of 1 chocolate is How much? Rupees 4. Isn't it? So what is the price of 3 chocolates? So it is 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 times she is giving 4 rupees, that is equal to 12 rupees. So her mother has given 15 and she has bought it for 20. So 15 minus 12. Okay. It is, the remaining is rupees 3. What she had got as the remaining amount. Okay. Have you brought the chocolate? How much money is remaining with you? The mother asked. Then the daughter says, yes mom, rupees 3 is remaining with me out of 15 rupees. Okay, then you have another activity that shows the arrangement of different notes and coins and write the sum in the blank space provided. The first example is done for you all. And the second one also on page number 168. Color the notes and coins that you need to pay to the given sum. The sum they have given. So, how many notes and coins total up to that sum? You have to color that coins and notes. Okay. So, the remaining part also is the activities only. By looking the pictures and money given, add the money first and then circle the amount by selecting the notes and coins given beside it. Okay, then on page 170 also you have a small activity there, and on page 171 and 172 also you have the activities. The value of the objects is given. You have to total it up and write the total amount of the objects. Okay children, so this was the lesson about money. Okay, the coins and the currency notes, how you are going to add that and how you should subtract that, what are the transactions taken in day-to-day life, that all you have learnt it in this chapter. Okay, so all of you complete your activities and understand it and complete it. Okay children, okay, hope you all have understood this. Thank you.